Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 26-27 season, and this is it's like a Centenary home shirt, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like the style of this shirt. This is exactly what Blackburn should have done with theirs. Instead of bringing out the white shirt, they should have just really got in home on like the red rose as the crest, and just made it look really nice, which is what Wolves have done here. This shirt was purchased from bestzv4.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. The shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it continues to be plain. Now this is, say, for a friend of mine, somebody who I work with, so he's probably going to be watching this video because the thumbnail will be some sort of picture of him as I've done previously. But if he is watching it, I will just say Blackburn were cheated. Nah, only joking. Blackburn played Wolves the other day, first game of the Championship season. Wolves went 1-0 up, Blackburn made it 2-1, and then the penalty was given. It's one of those ones that it could have gone either way. I was more annoyed with the way that the striker took the penalty. But yeah, here we have the Wolverhampton Wanderers home shirt for the 26-27 season. So let's open the bag and take a good look at it. Okay, here we are to the front of the shirt, and you've got like a standard sort of V-neck collar with the stretching material, which is really quite nice. On the sleeve, you've got SUDU, and you have SUDU on this side as well. Or actually, there is some of the plastic on there, which is what the vinyl comes on, and you've got SUDU there, which is actually embroidered into the material there. The retro Wolverhampton Wanderers badge is embroidered on, and that looks really nice. And then the shirt sponsor is Midnight, and that feels lovely. That feels so nice. You cannot feel where that sponsor is at all. That is pretty impressive. Then you do have a sleeve sponsor as well, which is, what's that, Wolf Competitions or something. And again, that is a vinyl sort of texture to it. At the bottom we have the SUDU, which will be one of the official licensed product items. But if you can see, the pattern is absolutely immense on this shirt. Like I said, I am a big fan of this one, I'm not going to lie. But there's the front of the shirt. Let's take a look at the reverse side now. Okay, we're onto the reverse side now. And the collar line continues around, and you've got the neck protector sitting up here. So this must be 150 years of Wolves. Again, you've got this bit of plastic, which is what holds the vinyl on when they heat press it on. That feels so nice. So yeah, Wolverhampton Wanderers, 150 years. And again, I'm just going to say again, this is amazing. I really like this pattern. I'm so jealous that Wolves have done something like this, and Blackburn did such a poor show for their Centenary shirt. There is a crease in where the shirt's been in the bag, but that will soon come off when the shirt has been worn. A little mark there, but that was actually just a little bit of cotton that was on the shirt. Absolutely lovely. Everything looks absolutely spot on this one. No name and number. I did ask my friend if he wanted to have his name on it on the back. He asked for it plain, so that's how we've left it. Really nice, and I'm glad he did actually because of that pattern. But now let's take a look at the inside of this shirt as well. Well, that's something that I wasn't expecting. As we've moved through to the inside, it's yellow. So it's the Wolves yellow. So not only is the out of the shirt like the orange, the inside is the yellow they use. That is a very clever, and even more impressive that it's on one of these sort of replica shirts. So let's move in a little bit closer, and we can see the SUDU and the sponsor. Really nice. No creases where the Wolves badge gone on. Slight bit of excess cotton where the join, actually that's not even on there, that was loose. But there is a slight join there from where the stitching has got together. But in all honesty, that looks really good. I have just noticed though that that side is slightly in than that one. We'll take a look at that again when we wrap up the video. Didn't really notice that on the front, and likewise the top bit there looks slightly off. But moving over to here, again we've got SUDU, and you've got some of this like paper. If that doesn't come off, I'm going to struggle with one hand because of how small it is. Just put some lukewarm water on it. That will then soon peel off nicely. Shirt sponsor, lovely. So nice. That has gone on really, really well. And then we'll have the SUDU on this sleeve as well. It is for a crease, but like I said, once the shirt has been worn or washed, that will soon disappear. And there is some mesh on the inside here, but I didn't notice on the outside. Oh yeah, look, there you can see through it. So it has got the breathable mesh material down the side, which would have been perfect for the heat wave that England has just gone through, although we've now got some rain. Never would I have thought that I would be so happy that we do have some rain. But there's the first part of the inside of the shirt. Let's take a look at the final side now, and actually you can now see the yellow and the orange together. Really, really clever design. Okay, we're on the final part now, and SUDU around on the neck support, SUDU with the Wolves badge, and medium. So these ones are true to size, so this is going to be a medium size. You have the tag on there with a sticker on there with the medium fashion sport and the Wolves crest on that side. Pushing in, you can just see the SUDU there, and you can kind of make the outline of the Wolves badge, but nothing too bad. Midnight is visible again if you push in. At the bottom we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts are to wash them like it is now, when it's inside out. Never put them in a tumble dryer, always just let them hang dry. Again, with the heat wave we've had, this would have been perfect. Good old crease there, but I say, once you've been wearing these shirts, once you've washed them, those creases will soon disappear and you'll never know they were even there. But there is the final look at the inside of this Wolverhampton shirt. I just love the fact that we've got the orange and the yellow. I think that is so smart. And there we have it, our Wolverhampton Wanderers Centenary Home Shirt for the 26-27 season. And this shirt was purchased from bestzv4.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link to move your seller, so you can take a look at their items as well. And just while I think, the badge, so it is slightly off on that side, look. I'd never noticed that when we looked at it the first time, but now we've seen it, it is a little bit more noticeable. But to be fair, again, as I always say, for the price of these sort of shirts, you can't really grumble. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of this one? Do you think Wolves has absolutely aced it with this Centenary shirt? And how do you think they'll do in the Championship this season after going down? Not a convincing start to the season in the draw with Blackburn. Like I've said to a few people, I'd have taken a 2-2 draw at the start of the game, but at the end of the game, I think Blackburn probably should have had the win. But onwards and upwards for Blackburn, and let's see how Wolves go. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what you think of this one. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, messages, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As a reminder, the seller is bestzv4.com. All the information in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.